If I install single built-in oven above a washing machine, will the washing machine when it spins shake the oven?
What's the make and model of your washing machine? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Hoover, 18 months old, washer/dryer.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, with some help.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really, I just want to know how strong the oven support has to be to make it safe.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. If the oven is in a cabinet that is built on the floor, then it will be problematic. If the oven is in a wall-supported cabinet, there should be no issue. You don't want the oven cabinet to move at all when the washing machine spins. If you don't, I receive 0 credit for my work. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
Do you know of reliable wall-supported oven cabinets?
To hold the weight of an oven, not really. It is going to require one be custom built to be able to support that kind of weight.
Your voicemail messages are inaudible. Please call me either on +442 billion 82,968,128 or +44 7793 147487.
I am not available for phone service. I have not left any messages for you.
I have a carpenter who can custom build the wall cabinet. Do you have any useful suggestions I can pass on to him?
Well, it would be best that the cabinet is not supported on the floor level as the washer. If floor support is needed, it would be best to put the washing machine on a supported raised platform and then use the floor to support the oven cabinet. Just tell him to overbuild the cabinet so it will keep the oven stale so connections do not shake loose.
Many thanks, now.
You are very welcome, thank you. Take care.
Right now I don't have any more appliance questions. I rated your answer and will contact you again when needed. I did request a phone call, but this was not necessary in the end. Could you pass on the message to the right people? I received about 5 or 6 recorded messages on my phone, which were not audible and which were charged to my mobile number, so this service was both expensive and useless. This may stop people using your service again since it involves additional charges for nothing. Your advice was helpful, but the phone service was not.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.